Yo, we back. Episode number two. This is gonna be how to navigate FOMC, how to trade FOMC, and how to navigate news with trading. This is just gonna be a FOMC example because we had FOMC today. Um, with FOMC, me personally, I don't like to trade New York session prior to FOMC, but I would recommend trading like after FOMC drop, and I'm about to go over why. And this is kind of leading back to episode one, the liquidity, because usually red folder news give out like a big ass, like it's like a lot of volume injected into the market, and it usually create a big ass candle, which create a data wick on both sides, which you could usually capitalize off of, which I'm finna go over today. As y'all can see, finna go to when the FOMC drop. Probably gonna, yeah, this fat ass candle right here. So boom, we finna go over this. I'm gonna go over AM session today also. So boom, at 2 p.m. The data drop. Y'all see this big old candle. This is literally a 100 point candle. This is not normal, but because of the news, it's normal if that makes sense. So boom, these wicks on both sides are classified as data highs and data lows. Prominent draws on liquidity. Kind of leading back to episode one. Another reason why I'm making this video. Data highs and data lows. Those are like top two draws on liquidity. My favorite probably equal highs and equal lows. And that's going we gonna make a video on that also. Like this is day by day. But today we got data highs and data lows. So boom. As y'all can see right here. Um hold on. Yeah. All right, so boom. FOMC dropped at two. Y'all can see price instantly drop. Take this high from here. You will be wanting to look for shorts down to the data low. I know we got this AM high up here, which is a prominent draw on liquidity, as well as these highs. We got hella draws to the upside, but with this permanent low being down here after taking this high, we could look for shorts. So boom, let's fast forward a little bit. Look like price drawing towards the low already. Realistically, an entry I would be looking for is like either OTE. You're probably not gonna get an OTE entry with data highs and data low setups. Really, I would say try and take a lower time frame IFVG. I really don't trade IFVGs, but I just lied. I do trade IFVGs, but not they're not my prominent like entry model. Like I don't have to see a IFVG to get in to get inside of a trade. But yeah, so boom, we finna go over this. That 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 also come with discretion also like getting inside of a trade based off entry model. Like you gotta decide what you think the best entry model at that time is, whether it's your specific model or whatever. Me, I got two entry models that I realistically use to get in trades, really three, but yeah, that take time and discretion to build. Finna go over this setup though. As y'all can see, I think we got a, no, we don't got an SMC. As y'all can see, price just swept this data high from here. You're gonna be looking for shorts. Price created this 1 minute FVG. Look at the 30 second, as well as this combined 30 second. You could combine this 30 second. Realistically, how many points is this? This is 25 points, kind of big. I realistically want to take the smaller gap for a tighter stop loss. Um, so you want to go with the 1 minute gap here. Um, a FVG is a three candle sequence that leave an imbalance in price. As y'all can see, this gap in price. This is known as a bullish fair value gap. So boom. Um, you would basically want to wait to get in this trade. You would basically, and we got a beautiful break even point on this trade, as well as be in premium of the range. As y'all can see, we above the 50% of the daily range. Um, this white line is the 50% of the daily range. Um, so yeah, break even point. Beautiful TP, the data low. Let's just see if we can get this close. Realistically, you will be wanting to wait for price to come down and close. I'm tripping. We got another 1 minute gap right here also that I missed. So realistically, you would want to take the lower one. I wouldn't combine it because your stop loss would be fat. Like, nigga, this would be like, excuse my language, but this would be like 30 points, bro. Realistically, you want to have some tight stop losses when you trade in, but that getting out of a trade come with discretion also. Like, you gotta decide based off price what it's showing you if it's like a good time to get out or a bad time to get out or a valid area to put your stop loss based off the trade you get in. Because some trades, some setups got specific stop losses and TPs that you're gonna have knowing going into that trade if that makes sense. But yeah, let's see if we can get this close. Price created this 1 minute order block also. Realistically, if price want to respect this level, we should see price not close above this high. And then we got a beautiful reaction here. Realistically, I'll be in here. Um, sell stop loss realistically. You'll run around like realistically, like I was just saying when it come to PA and reading stop losses and TPs, like realistically, if we write about this trade and price want to go down from this area, price should not come past this order block and disrespect it and close above it. So this would be a beautiful area to have your stop loss because if we wrong about this trade, like I just said, we would not come up past this level of this bearish order block. We shouldn't like come past this. And TP will be like I said, the data low. Um, this would be how much R? This would be a 20-point stop loss. Not bad. Not the best though. Um, yeah, full TP at the data low. Realistically, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. You would low key want to be break even right now. Price came down, swept this internal low, and as well as y'all can see, we just created a bearish SMT. I mean a bullish SMT as NQ swept this low, but ES did not, showing divergence, which price could definitely reverse from here after sweeping this internal low. But with that drawdown there, we just have to accept the risk, like or take profit or take like, because I did just get in this trade for one con, so I wouldn't be able to take a partial here. But if you want to TP half here, take like 500 off, leave the rest for like 1500 full CP. You could do that. But me personally, I'm letting my nuts hang on this shit. These prop firm accounts, bro, you gotta be aggressive. You cannot be on no whole shit with this shit. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, let's see what happens if full TP get hit. And TP got hit. As y'all can see, price definitely almost edged our break even or hit our break even, but full TP did get hit on this trade for 113 points. And that'll be how to trade FOMC. I'm about to go over AM session too. Um, yeah, let's go over AM session. Let's fast forward to 9:30. This low key kind of like a little back testing session of the day, but also how to navigate FOMC. Um, should I close this video here? Nah, we just gonna go with the flow. Nah, we gonna yeah, how to navigate FOMC. This is the end of this video. I'm gonna make another video recapping this AM session, but this is most likely only gonna get posted in the court and the only video that's gonna get posted on YouTube. It's gonna be this how to navigate FOMC. So yes, hope y'all enjoy it. Any questions? Let me know.